guys, my name is Lovepreet Singh and I'm here to present on Walmart and retail chain supermarket. I will begin with the introduction with my group member Nishil Bhutani, who will be explaining the presentation as well. With the starting with the table of content, like there are the things we explained by the my group partner Nishil Bhutani. And first of all, I will go start with the introduction. In the introduction, the report will cover about the ERP system of Walmart and give an overview about it. And it will with this report in will we will talk about the advantages and disadvantages of Walmart ERP system, and also the suggest effective ERP system, give a justification of the suggested system and discuss the benefit and the suggested system. And after all of this section, the report conducts a study in a conduction section, where it can contains a summary of the whole report and discuss the key features and the outcomes of the conduction of the whole report. Here's a company's background, so which learn to about the combined technology, how now with the common sense, interpersonal skills, and problem solving and enthusiasm. After all of these development, the Walmart, after all of this, the Walmart what I would say the Walmart decide to the technology strategies and make the first test lab for the testing its product quality and innovating the new products that contribute in the people's life. And the Walmart then starts its practical service and give 2 days free delivery service for capturing our customer power, and also launches several of programs that can help in reducing the cost of products. Walmart changed its company name of from the Walmart stores to the Walmart, and acquire the most of e-commerce companies such as Flipkart and Equal, Art.com, etc. and so on. So to the next, like this is the industry overview that will be explained by one of my colleague Nishil. And to the next, this one is the SWOT analysis. In this analyze, we will talk about option to adapt the market. Walmart is a very big corporation that has a power to adapt a market such as information technology, communication, and the telecom and the telecom market. The organization has a very heavy customer support that makes its customer database huge, and features enable information, and makes a Walmart company and a leading organization by using its data. And there are some strategies collaboration as well. And for that for that there are some strategies collaboration. The Walmart itself is a huge corporation, and a small organization always seeks to opportunity to being a part of Walmart. So the Walmart had a very wide area of collaborating with the different organization, which Walmart can open new markets and get for the future growth as well. And there are some threats as well. The threats is the first we talk about the community threatened products. Like in the community threatened products, the Walmart also provide a platform to the third party retailers to sell their products on a Walmart website. And sometimes the retailers add products that can harm the rules of community on a harm of a specific a religion feeling, that make a collaborating and restricted situation for the Walmart and decrease its brand value by a huge amount. And legal political issues are there as well, in which all the organization should follow some of the legal and political rules and regulations which made by the government, and that resist the growth of organization and the hinder the speed of achieving objectives. And the third one is the technical issues. In the technical issues, the adopting of technology always enables new features that give ultimate and uncountable benefits of the business, but it can also create a security risk and open the door for the threat actors for attacking on the company user data, and their heavy ability of shut down an organization completely. The next one um, is the Pareto 5 force model. Like for the first one, there are the five models. And the Walmart's knows for the adopting unique customer satisfaction strategies, and it becomes one of the largest retailing organization of the world. The threat of the new competitive organization the risk of entrance of organization is low, because the Walmart is one of the leading companies with a huge capitalization, and achieving is such this much revenue with the growth for an easy task. And threats of public marketing. Walmart's cover almost all of the products and the provide services in almost each sector, and drive a range of products, so the risk of a substitute product is low in case of Walmart. And the third one is the threats of substitute product marketing, which is very low. The risk is very strong in this retailing industry. Some of the existing companies such as Amazon has a very strong background and have their own security and a strong IT infrastructure at the same time. So having this information technology, the functionality and the heavy customer support, by which they can increase their revenue by a wide range. Then we can talk about the IT infrastructure, in which the Walmart believe to build in a house on a premises technology system that makes strong in front of the Amazon and the Target. Walmart use information and communications system for developing and enhanced strategies of decision making, promoting its business effectively on global market, and increasing the rate of customer response. And here are some advantages for that. Like some of the advantages will be talked by one of my colleague Initial, and the some of it I will talk about. The first one, we talk about the analysis of real time data. In that, the SAP HANA provides a real time process of completed functions. This ERP stored data in the memory instead of disk, and saves the overall loading time of the system, that make it 10% faster comparatively. And this system accelerate the business functionality of intelligently perform activities and on a real time, and that enable the real time opportunity grabbing power, and reduce the challenge of business. And the next one is the scalable solutions. Like nowadays, the business want every business wanted to transform their business from statics level to the dynamic, and want to build a platform whom they can easily strength SAPA, that provide the interface where the Walmart can easily add or eliminate the nodes, or the HANA, that provide the interface. Walmart can eliminate the nodes of technology and provide the scalable system. The next one is the versatile and the flexible ERP system. In this, like the SAP ERP system is developed in such a way so that it's comparatively or sportive to the all of the database software and the hardware system. This functionality makes it a versatile versatile, and the ERP system, by using the organization, can increase the capability of performing greater data analysis. So there are some disadvantages for that, and the first of two will be explained by my colleague, and the rest of them I will explain. Like in this, the SAP HANA updates, it's insane functionality, very frequent. So, because each every updated has to be purchased by the user and consume a lot of time to be implement. And SAP only support SAP interface and or SUSE in Linux. This create a problem for the user that wanted to implement the strategies on the other windows, and cost of license is very high for the both of the interface. And also in this, the SAP also interface the specific interface products products, in which the organization has to change the ERP architecture for the using the SAP or their ERP tool. And the next one we will is there, like which one is a partial ERP functionality. partial ERP functionality, which the user can manage its activity from the on-premise and cloud stabilizing creative issues. The next we will talk about the emerging technologies. In this emerging technology, the first of two will be explained by my partner. Like at the mirror is actually a camera that a screen that records an 8-second video to provide a 360-degree of view of how a piece of clothing says a dress looks on it, and it provides a side-by-side comparison of how the shopper look on two different sites. The next one is the conclusion. In this conclusion, like in this technology, the development environment, in this conclusion, the technology environment, the organization are adapting the technological function, increasing their performance, productivity, and the strategies. This report covered the brief introduction of Walmart business background, discuss about the business model and environment of Walmart, and perform the SWOT analysis and a Porter 5 forces analysis for gaining understanding on the current business model of Walmart, including the strengths and the weaknesses for the future. This is these opportunities and the threats that resist the growth of Walmart. The report covered the ERP system of the Walmart and suggest an effective ERP strategy such as face recognition system, common communication interface, and the real-time response system. The Walmart has also developed a system that can effectively catch the opportunity of the market. And this is all for today. Thanks for the